Hello, future product managers. Today we're diving into the exciting role of product management and how to become a product manager. We'll explore what a product manager does and, more importantly, how you can start this career path. Let's jump right in. If you're considering this as a career choice, you're probably already familiar with what product management is. But just in case you're super new to the field, let's start by touching on the essence of product management. At its core, product management is about being the driving force behind a product's development, launch, and ongoing success. You're like the CEO of your product. You ensure that the product meets customer needs and aligns with business goals. What does it take to succeed? For starters, you're going to need a thorough understanding of the market. That requires conducting, identifying customer pain points, and staying ahead of competitors by gathering insights and data to inform your product decisions. You almost have to be able to develop a clear product vision to guide every decision. This vision answers big questions like, what problem are we solving and who are we solving it for? And don't forget, you're going to be developing product roadmaps that outline the product's entire journey from conception to launch and beyond. You'll also collaborate with teams, departments, and bridge all the functions that go into transforming the vision into reality. Sounds exciting, right? Now that we've covered what a product manager does, let's talk about the 5 steps to becoming one. Step 1. Education and learning. While there's no specific degree for product management, having one can really help you build the foundational knowledge and skills you'll need. A background in business, engineering, computer science, or related field can be beneficial, but you can also explore learning via courses and certifications geared towards product management. Look for programs that cover the fundamentals and advanced topics. Certifications like Certified Scrum Product Owner or PMI, Agile Certified Practitioner, can also be valuable. Step 2. Build your expertise. Gain experience in related roles like business analyst, project manager, or marketing manager. These positions can help you develop skills crucial for product management, including familiarity with technical skills like basic coding, software development methodologies, and data analysis. Step 3. Focus on skills development. You need a diverse skill set to thrive as a product manager. A few major ones include analytical skills. Data-driven decision-making is crucial. Analyze market trends and customer feedback to inform your strategy. Communication. You'll be the point of contact for various teams and stakeholders, so clear and concise communication is essential. Leadership. Inspire and motivate your team, even if you're not their direct manager. Leadership is about influence, not authority. Step 4. Network and learn from others. Engage with product management communities, online or in person. Attend meetups, webinars, and conferences to learn from experienced product managers, which will give you many learning opportunities and chances to build a solid professional network. Also, don't discount the value of finding a mentor. A mentor can provide valuable guidance, insights based on their own experiences. Look for someone who has navigated the path you want to follow. Step 5. Build your own projects. Even if you don't work in product management right now, you can build a dynamic portfolio by working on side projects to apply what you've learned. This hands-on experience is invaluable and can set you apart from candidates. To sum it up, becoming a product manager involves a combination of education, experience, skills development, networking, and hands-on projects. It's a challenging journey, but with determination and the right resources, you can make it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on navigating the path to becoming a product manager. Until next time, keep pushing forward.